Hi, this is Milt Haynes. I'm doing a quick update to this page on blackskingeek.org that talks about the importance of keywords. And I'm going to post a video that I'm taking, actually, the one I'm taking right now. First, I want to explain the resume matching algorithm. The idea about this page is that in order to see if you're a good fit for a particular job, what you want to do is compare your resume to the job posting. It's as simple as that. However, sometimes we need to have some metrics associated with it. So I created what I call a brute force heuristic. And basically what you do is you take your resume, you take the job posting, you highlight matching words between the two, and you count. And if the words between the two, let's say that less than 5% match, then you're probably not a good match for the job. And this gives you a scale that you can use. Now, there's another way to do this, and that's using word clouds. Since I wrote this page a long time ago, word clouds have come up. And let me show you how that works. So what I did was I took my resume. This is a copy of my resume. Okay, I selected all the words and created a word cloud. This is a word cloud for my resume. And what I'm going to do is actually create a new word cloud. I'm going to go to, and I'm using WordItOut. WordItOut. Okay, here's a new page. And what I'm going to do is create another word cloud. But in this case, I'm going to create it from this job posting. So I'm a knowledge manager, and I saw this posting for knowledge manager. And let's see what the word cloud looks like. So I just copy and paste it into there, generate a word cloud. In this case, I want to change the font because I can't stand that font. I'm going to use sans serif, regenerate it. And here you go. Here's the word cloud. Now, isn't this interesting? Well, one thing I want to say that management is in this one, but it's not in mine. And that's because management, the word didn't make it into the word cloud. And that's because I guess management was listed so many times. So you can change that or fix that based on these instructions. But if I was applying for this job at KPMG, one of the things I may want to look at, and I have to double check, but it looks like search is a big keyword. And now if I go to my job, if I go to my word cloud for my resume, I don't see search on there. So that tells me that I should do a deeper dive and see if I can add search to my resume in some places so that when someone is comparing the resume to the job posting, they'll have more matches. So that's how the word cloud works, to include more keywords in your resume that would match the job posting, so that if somebody's doing a match, either by looking at it, or in most cases, these new resume databases will look for the perfect match once the recruiter keys in certain keywords. Then my resume will pop to the top. One more thing I'm going to check. I have knowledge, I would think the knowledge should be on the list. And let's see if they have knowledge. They got process. Knowledge is here. So knowledge does come up. And you can see there's a lot of other keywords here that we can look at. Content comes up. Team comes up as one of the larger words. So this is just a good way to make sure that your resume, you may be able to beef it up to improve the way it comes up in the search results when someone is searching for your resume in their database. That's it for me. This is Milt Haynes, Black Geek, signing out.